Today we're going to be working on a PlayStation 2 Mini Slim. This has definitely been a while since I worked on one of these. A blast from the past. Okay, we can hear something rattling around. Customer complaint is the power button light comes on, but when you press the power button, nothing happens. So let's plug in the power supply. So we do have a red light for the standby, and yes, when you press the power button, nothing happens. Okay, customer complaint confirmed. If I remember correctly now, under these covers here should find some screws. Six screws, all the same length, easy peasy. Guarantee sticker is still intact. And we're in. So I remember this problem from back in the day. There is a power button board here in the front, and the power button, which is supposed to be soldered onto these four contacts here, has snapped off, and some standoffs here have snapped off as well, so it must probably been dropped. Okay, and I see the button lying at the bottom of the PlayStation there. There it is there. Snapped off. Button still works. So, can solder that back on, and this PlayStation should be back on the road. There is another micro switch here that detects when the lid is closed of the PlayStation and won't start spinning up the disc until the lid is closed. So you have also a infrared receiver here, power button, micro switch. Okay. Yeah, certainly bringing back memories. Okay, so let's just add a bit of flux. Lots of flux. Add some new solder to the joints. Lovely. Clean up. And fresh solder on the pads. Okay, so as we can see, all soldered on nicely. Let's get this board back in the PlayStation and test if it works. Plug in the ribbon cable. That just sits in situ, not much holding it in. Power. We'll have the red light. Press. Light turns to green. And I can hear the fan spinning. Okay, so I'll just clean the dust out of this. Put the screws back in. Give it a small test. And this retro gaming console will be back in action. Thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix, and I'll see you in the next one.